Hey, what is up, everybody? Danny here, and today I just want to share with you just a quick little tip here on really making your project management system just enjoyable to use. And so, if you've been following me for some time, you know that I love managing my projects using Agile project management principles. Um, I really do enjoy keeping everything on one board that I can visualize so I can see everything that is in progress. Whether it's things that my team is working on, my virtual assistants, or it's tasks that I am handling myself, I can get a good picture of what needs attention. So anyway, if you're using a task management system, good for you. It's awesome. A lot of people are looking for systems and ways to get organized. So hopefully this video will provide you some valuable tips on doing just that. But I want to keep it fun because project management, let's just face it, it can be a kind of boring and dry subject. But when you harness the power of project management and productivity in general, it can be really exciting, in the fact that you can save more time and use that time to do other things like, spend more time with your family or, get more sleep or you can even, spend some extra time and watch some Netflix. Like those are some things that you can do, but you really need to get organized and have a system in place before, you can really take advantage of those, of that free time, right? So you want to be able to still make sure you get results and build a system so that you can get more free time to do what you want. So anyway, fun tip of the day here is just I use Meistertask for my projects currently, and it's a great tool to use. I use Jira in the corporate space, and I really love Jira as well. But if you're not a really large team with a lot of people, and I'll show you what it looks like. Jira. If you're not in the corporate space or the software development space, you probably haven't heard about it, but it is a very powerful tool for large teams and interdependent teams to manage projects and tasks and things like that. But I digress. I'm going back to Meistertask. This is on my board here, and I'm just going to change the colors up at the top here. So I want to make sure that my open tasks represent what an open task might look like, and so I like the color red because it's just kind of like, hey, look at me, this needs attention, warning type of color, and so those are my open tasks. Grooming are tasks I'm pulling in to my workflow that need to have more requirements written around them. Maybe I need to add more context to the task so that I can hand it off to my virtual assistant. So I'm just going to put this one as orange, a little bit softer than the red, not as glaring, but still needs attention. And then in progress, I'm going to put yellow. Okay, we are following kind of like the stoplight color scheme here. Yellow, we are underway, and then I'll just go ahead and pick green for my final done column. Okay, so that's just kind of adding some color and some vibrance to my visual board for my work in progress. I hope that this tip is useful for you, and if you have any questions on any project management tips whatsoever when it comes to managing your digital projects, that is what I focus on. I focus on helping entrepreneurs and educational digital product creators manage their projects more effectively and efficiently. So go ahead and leave those below. And if you have any questions specifically around Agile or anything project management related, go ahead and drop them below. Give this video a like if you found it useful, and don't forget to share if you know someone else that could benefit from getting organized and building some project management systems into their business. Take care, and I'll see you next video. Bye.